In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a credit card to Rocket Money, step-by-step guide. By the end, your card will be connected so transactions sync automatically, and you can track spending, subscriptions, and budgets with confidence. Before you begin, make sure you can log into your card's online banking and have your phone nearby for any two-factor codes you may need to approve. Open the Rocket Money app and sign in to your account. From the home screen, go to Settings, then Linked Accounts, and choose Add Account. This is where you connect banks and cards to pull in your activity, so Rocket Money can categorize spending and spot recurring charges for you. Search for your credit card provider by its bank or issuer name. For example, if your card is issued by Chase, Capital One, Amex, Citi, or another institution, select that bank from the list. Avoid choosing the card network like Visa or MasterCard. You want the institution that manages your account. Once you see the correct provider, tap it to continue. Sign in securely using your online banking username and password. Complete any two-factor authentication prompts such as a text, call, or app verification to confirm it's you. When you're done, tap continue. Rocket Money uses bank-level encryption and connects through secure channels. If your bank sends a one-time passcode, enter it promptly before it expires to prevent timeouts. Next, select the specific credit card account you want to link and confirm access. If you have multiple cards with the same bank, pick the one you plan to track. Rocket Money will begin syncing right away. Give the initial sync a few minutes. Recent transactions usually appear first, followed by subscription detections. Older history can take longer, so don't worry if you don't see everything instantly. Keep the app open, or check back shortly as the feed fills in. To verify the connection, return to linked accounts. Your card should display as connected. Tap it to review the sync status and last updated time, which confirms Rocket Money is continuing to pull new activity automatically. If the card won't connect, double check your login and complete any multi-factor prompts. Try reconnecting if you mistyped something, and make sure your bank's app and Rocket Money are up to date. Some banks have brief outages. Waiting and retrying later often solves it. If issues persist, go to Settings, Open Help, and contact Rocket Money support so they can investigate. Once linked, turn on spending alerts, set budget categories that match your goals, and monitor subscriptions tied to that card. If your bank supports it, you can also track payment due dates. That's it! Your credit card is now connected and ready to keep your finances organized.